In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. If you want to manage location right away, here's how I do it. Just go into Tab menu, look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. If you see this pop-up, that means that you never disabled location before. Don't worry, just tap on close and it will be disabled. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location is off. To switch it on, tap on the same, now gray switcher until it's white. If you have a bit more time, you can also go into settings, scroll to tap on location section, and use this switcher to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!